As a busy mom, keeping your home clean can be a real challenge. But fear not, because today we're unboxing the Bissell Little Green Upholstery Portable Cleaner. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Woo! We have the little green cleaner itself, along with a sample bottle of Bissell cleaning solution and the user manual. So let's dive in and see just how easy it is to use, because let's be real, we don't have time for complicated cleaning gadgets. To get started, all you need to do is fill the clean water tank with hot water and the cleaning solution. Then simply turn the machine on and start cleaning. First up, let's tackle those outdoor furniture cushions. With the little green cleaner's powerful suction and deep cleaning brush, even the most stubborn dirt and grime doesn't stand a chance. And the best part? The machine is small and portable enough to take outside with you, so you can clean your cushions right where they are. Next, let's move inside and clean the carpet. Whether it's spilled juice, muddy footprints, or pet hair, the little green cleaner makes the cleaning carpets a breeze. Now, let's talk dining chairs. If you have kids, you know how quickly they can turn a clean chair into a disaster zone. But with the little green cleaner, you can easily remove food stains, spills, and even marker drawings. Just a few quick passes with the machine and your chairs will look like new. And finally, let's not forget about the car interior. From dropped snacks to muddy shoes, the little green cleaner can handle it all. Ice cream stain right here. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces like car seats and floor mats. When you're finished, simply empty the dirty water tank and rinse out the clean water tank. It's that simple. If you want to check out another video, click or tap the screen. Can't wait to see you on the next video.